Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video, and today you are watching a very unusual video. These guys are trying to catching a fish, and it is normal like that you are catching a fish, but you never expect that fish will be in your home, and the floor is actually flooded, and this is what happened in our territory. These guys just trying to catch a fish, and as far I guess this fish is a catfish, so they are just trying to catch the catfish which is come from the flood, and the flood water actually covered their total floor. And this is kind of funny, you never seen this type of thing ever in anywhere, so at least in rural areas. So this is very much crazy video, and finally they be able to caught it. And yeah, this was the daily dose of internet, and hope you love it. If you're new, make sure you stay with this channel. See you all soon with another daily dose of internet. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.